Well, this is the International English Language Testing System which is taking place at English Achievers. The examiner name is Asadul Islam. The examiner number is 4366. Also, the candidate name is Lutfha Begum. The candidate number is EA5690. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
What's your full name?
My full name is Lutfha Begum. You may call me Lutfha.
Okay. May I check your identification?
Yes.
Here it. Okay. At first, I will ask you some personal question about yourself. Where are you from?
I'm from Sylhet. It is a beautiful city known for its lush green tea garden, scenic landscape, and rich cultural heritage.
Okay. Do you work or study?
I'm currently doing both. I am a second year Bachelor of Arts student, and alongside my study, I work as a graphic designer.
Okay. Now I will ask you some general question. Let's talk about accommodation. Do you plan to live there for a long time in accommodation?
I resided in this neighborhood since childhood, so I deeply connected to its community and surroundings.
Okay. What do you usually do in your house or flat?
I mostly focus on my study and work on freelance graphic design projects. And however, in my free time, I really enjoy reading or catching up with my family.
Okay. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and siblings, creating a close-knit and supportive environment.
Okay. Let's talk about websites.
Okay.
Do you use website?
Generally, I visit educational and news websites. Besides, I frequently explore design-related sites for creative ideas.
Okay. What's your favorite website?
My favorite website is YouTube because it provides both educational and entertaining content. And furthermore, it helps me learn new skills through tutorials.
Okay. Let's talk about mobile phone.
Okay.
Do you often use your mobile phone for chatting or call?
I mainly use it for texting as it is more convenient. However, I prefer calls for important matters.
Okay. What's your first mobile phone?
My first mobile phone was a Nokia, which was very durable. However, it had a great battery life.
Okay. How has your mobile phone changed your life?
It had made life easier by keeping me connected. Additionally, it has stayed me organized.
Okay. Will you buy a new one in the future?
Yes, I want to buy an iPhone because of its smooth performance. Besides, its camera quality is excellent.
Excellent. Okay. It is into your part one. Now we will move to the part two.